Hey guys, so we just found a new project that might have a potential airdrop. Now, this is Inferium, a platform that could help developers to easily verify, list, or earn from their AI models. Now, to start with, all we need to do is to click the sign up button here, and then we need to connect our wallet. So let's click this one. And then since I am currently using my OKX wallet, so let's choose this and then allow Inferium to connect with our wallet. And then just click confirm and then we are in. Okay, so all we need to do next is to click base and we are already inside the Inferium interface. Now what we need to do next is to add an email, click verify email and then get invitation code. Alright, next is we need to open our email. Alright, so let's copy this one and paste it back here. Okay, once we're done with that, just click submit and we are now done verifying our email. So what we need to do next is to just add our name and then click submit and there we go. We are now already inside the Inferium platform. Now what we need to do next is to click earn Inferno and then click verify again and then these are the different tasks that we need to do. First is we need to check in daily to earn points. So as much as possible, be sure to check in every day. Click this button right here every day so that you could earn points, okay? So let's do it now. Click check in and we got one Inferno. So click OK. All we need to do is to check the following tasks. The first one is to join their Telegram. Okay, view in Telegram and then click join group. And we are now connected with their Telegram. Okay, let's go back to the platform and then click check. Once we're done with that, just click claim and we got an additional 10 Inferno points. Okay, so click OK. Next is let's connect it to Twitter or X. Okay, just click this link. Alright, click follow. And once we're done with that, let's go back to their platform and then click check and then click claim. And again, we earned an additional 10 Inferno points. Click OK. Next is connect to their Discord. Click the link, accept, invite. And then all we need to do is just to click this one so that we could register. And then just fill out the forms that are provided here. Now once you're done with that, all you need to do is just to go back to their platform and then click check, right? And we can now claim our points here. So let's click this one and then we gained another 10 Inferno points. Okay, so click OK. And then the next one is we need to write a content about Inferium. So maybe we could ask ChatGPT. What we could do here is to go back to their platform, copy a little bit of their information, and then go to ChatGPT and then ask ChatGPT to create a short summary. Alright, then we could copy this one and then let's go back here and then post the summarized article here and then click submit. And then since this is still in review, we will just skip this part and check the other tasks here. Okay, according to this one, subscribe to Telegram. Let's click the link. Okay, click join channel. Alright, once we're done with that, go back to the website again, click check and then click claim. Alright, so we earned another Inferno points. Okay, next is let's take a short quiz. Okay, click start. Okay, according to this one, which of the following is the official Inferium Twitter handle? And then make sure to answer the questions properly. So let's remember this one, Inferium AI. Alright, so let's click this and then click submit. Alright, once we're done with that, click close and then click claim. Okay, we got another points and then proceed to the next quest. So click start. And once you're done with that, just click claim. And again, we got 5 more points. So continue to proceed with the following. They would ask us to rate and review a model to earn. So basically, these tasks are quite difficult. So I will not proceed with this one. But yeah, if you could claim more points here, that would be much better. But if it's quite complicated for you, then you can skip these parts here. Alright, so once we're done with that, be sure to check in every day so that you could earn more points. And at the same time, don't forget to add your referral code here. We can click random here so that they could give us a random numbers and letters. Okay, just like with this one. Okay, copy this, then click submit, and now it would create your referral code here. Okay, once we're done with that, you can now copy this one, post it in your Facebook, X, Telegram, Discord, and then invite your friends so that you could earn more points here. Alright, so that's it for now. Let us just hope that we get those airdrops in the future. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to check out Inferium, and at the same time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more airdrop guides. Until next time, have a great day. Peace out.